Peace family, welcome to our USD analysis. So let's analyze Nasdaq. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then let's go to our 4-hour and find our zones. So on a 4-hour, we had this zone right here. Okay, around here being a resistance, and then seems like the market tried to come around these levels around here, and then what I'm going to expect for now is the market to push all the way out to there, up to there. So let's go to hourly. So I'm going to expect something like this, even potentially we see a tiny resistance around here. Let me just erase this. Let me leave it, and then like a break, retest, and then continue to this right there. Okay, that's my analysis for Nasdaq. And then let's go to GBPJPY, and then on a weekly. Okay, let's find the overall trend. So the overall trend for GBPJPY is we are on an uptrend, and then seems like we're heading towards this price right here. Then let me take this out. So let's go to our 4-hour and find our zones. Okay, let me blow up this so that everything can be clear. Okay, so on a 4-hour we had this. In fact, let's go to hourly, because right here I don't see anything on a 4-hour. Let's go to hourly. Okay, so the structure is much clearer. So on an hourly we have this zone right here. So here being a resistance, and then finally broke the resistance. So what I'm going to expect is the market to come around this former resistance all the way potential up to here. Let's see, even potentially up to, yes, for now here. Because right here we have this zone right there. Something like this. Okay, it's not clear, but we have a zone around here. So I'm going to expect the market to come around the areas right here. Okay, that's my analysis for GBP. And then let's go to EURJPY, and then on a weekly. So let's find our overall trend. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then seems like we're heading towards this price right there. Okay, let me delete this, and then let's go to our 4-hour. On a 4-hour, we'll try to find our zones. But if we don't see anything, we go to hourly. So let me just blow up this. So on a 4 hour, I have this structure right here. So let's go to hourly, because right here I don't see any zones. So on an hourly, we had this zone right here, and I'm still going to expect the market to push upwards up to there. Okay, that's my analysis for EURJPY. And then let's go to gold, and then on a weekly. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. So on a 4 hour, we have this zone right here. Let's go to hourly. On an hourly, I think this zone is much clearer. So we have this zone on an hourly. So it's possible that the market can push upwards. Let me delete this. So it's possible that the market can push upwards. And if this doesn't happen, then we have a possibility of, of selling. Maybe break, retest, and then sell up to here. That's my analysis. That's what I'm going to look out for gold at the moment. And then let's go to EURUSD. And then on a weekly, so the trend for EURUSD is on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4 hour. So on a 4 hour, we have this zone right there, like a support area. Let's go to hourly. So actually what I was looking for yesterday, the market was around here. I was looking for the market to push all the way upside, but that didn't happen. So since we broke this support area, I'm going to expect the market to come and retest this former support area, and then all the way to, let me see. Let me just drag this up to here. Okay, let me just blow up this. So that is my analysis for EURUSD. And then let's go to USDJPY. And then for USDJPY, we had a beautiful setup. I'm happy with what actually happened with USDJPY, but let's analyze. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend, and then on a 4 hour, on a 4 hour, we had this massive push to the upside. So at the moment we have this zone right here. Okay, you may actually see to the left. Okay, so let's go to hourly. So we have this zone right here, and then what I'm going to expect is the market to come to retest this zone and then push to the upside. That's my analysis for USDJPY. And then let's go to the last pair. And then on a weekly, so the overall trend for GBPUSD is on an uptrend. And then let's go to the 4 hour. And then let me just track this. Okay, I'll use these zones right around here. I don't want to go any further. We have this area right there. Then let's go to hourly. Okay, let me just adjust this. So this is being the support area. So currently we're playing around these areas. So there are chances that the market can push upwards, maybe up to here. But if the USD is stronger than the GBP, then you can see something like this, means pushing to the downside. Let me just fix this. Like a break, retest, and then to the downside. That's if the USD is stronger than the GBP. And then potential up to I'll just put my potential TP right here. Sometimes to be perfectionist is boring because we want everything to be perfect, even though life doesn't work that way. But that's how we struggle sometimes, trying to be perfect. Okay, so that's my analysis for GBP USD tap in.